Imagine if you could cut your workload in half. Not by working harder, but by working smarter. In 2025, artificial intelligence is not just a luxury, it is a necessity. Yet, most people are still drowning in tasks that could easily be delegated to AI, for free or at a minimal cost. In this video, I am going to walk you through 10 high-impact tasks that you should already be outsourcing to AI right now. These are not gimmicks. They are real, powerful, and designed to save you time, boost your productivity, and unlock income potential. This is not about sounding robotic. You train these tools to match your tone. You should only be editing and sending. Let us dive in. Task 1. Email management. Still writing every email manually. Tools like Superhuman AI, Gmail Smart Compose, and ChatGPT, custom GPTs can draft, summarize, and respond to emails for you. Tasked scheduling and calendar optimization. Whether you are writing a blog post or launching a product, research should be the first thing you outsource. You provide the direction. AI handles the production. If you are still juggling your own calendar, it is time to stop. Apps like Reclaim AI and Motion automatically prioritize your meetings, deep work, and breaks. Let AI choose the hashtags, times, and captions that convert. Your calendar becomes a living system, adapting to you in real time. Chatbots like Tidio, Intercom AI, and ManyChat can respond 24/7, solve basic problems, and increase customer satisfaction without costing you a dime in support hours. Use Clio, QuickBooks AI, or Monarch Money to track your cash flow, categorize expenses, and set financial goals. Stop guessing where your money went. Task 3. You only need to review and personalize them. This saves hours, especially for freelancers and so. Why spend hours Googling when Perplexity AI, ChatGPT browsing, or Consensus app can summarize entire reports, studies, or market trends in seconds? Tools like Paradox AI and HireVue remove hours of administrative work from the recruitment process. Task 4. Content creation. AI is no longer optional for creators. Tools like Pictory, Vidyo.ai, Runway, ML, and ChatGPT handle video editing, scripting, and even voiceover. The people who win this decade are not the busiest, they are the smartest with their time. Task 5. Social media management. Posting manually is a productivity killer. Use Buffer AI, Ocoya AI to generate, schedule, and optimize your posts across platforms. Platforms like ChatGPT, Khanmigo, and Socratic AI teach you new skills on demand. Whether it is learning to trade, code, or build websites, AI makes learning faster and more customized than ever. Task 6. Customer support. If you are freelancing or running a small business, you do not need a human to answer every question. Task 7. Financial. Tracking your budget, invoices, and tax prep can all be automated. Task 8. Document drafting. Writing contracts, policies, or proposals. Let Notion AI, Jasper, or Tome app generate solid drafts. Task 9. Hiring and resume screening. If you are hiring, AI can help you sort resumes, match candidates to roles, and even schedule interviews. Task 10. Learning and skill development. Tutors are the next big thing. The truth is, if you are not leveraging AI in 2025 to handle repetitive tasks, you are not just wasting time, you are losing money. So the question is, which of these 10 tasks are you going to delegate to AI starting today? If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to Byte to Bank, and turn on notifications for more content that helps you turn technology into wealth. This is Byte to Bank, where we turn your digital tools into real-world income. See you in the next one.